Welcome to Kundli Consult. In my last videos, I have talked about Sun and Moon in your horoscope. Today we are going to talk about Mangal, that is Mars, and one particular aspect of Mars which makes people Manglik. Now Manglik is a big thing in India, especially in India, and people are very afraid about it in terms of marriage. Where does it come from? Let me talk about a chapter from Shiv Puran. And I'm talking about original Shiv Puran as a classic, not where a lot of people interpreted it their own ways, add their stories, change their stories and rewrite it. So I'm talking about the original Shiv Puran as has been written. Now in Shiv Puran, it is said that there was a demon called Tarkasur who was given a boon by Lord Brahma that he can be killed only by the son of Shiv and Parvati. And therefore, Kartikeya was the reason why and that was the reason why Kartikeya was born, to kill Tarkasur. When Kartikeya was born and after he attained the age, he was given his training of warfare by Shiv himself. And all the gods appointed him as their army's commander-in-chief. That is why in Navagrahas, Mars is denoted as the chief of army, chief or commander-in-chief of the Navagrahas. He is associated therefore with military, police, violence, discipline. Now in same Shiv Puran, in later on chapters, one day Shiv and Parvati were discussing amongst themselves that both Ganesh and Kartikeya have now become of marriageable age and they need to get married. Now strangely, Ganesh and Kartik hear about this and they go to their parents saying, each one of them saying that he wants to get married first. Now Shiv and Parvati smiled at that because it's very strange that the kid's going up to the parent and saying that I want to get married first. Nevertheless, since this happened, Lord Shiv said that whoever goes around the universe 7 times and comes back first will get married first. Now I know a lot of you will say that this is a story associated of why Lord Ganesh is worshipped first. But believe me, if you read the classic Shiv Puran, that is not the reason, or this is not the reason why Ganesh is worshipped first. There's a different reason given in Shiv Puran for that. So let's continue. So on hearing this, Kartikeya took his peacock and immediately ran off to go around the universe 7 times. Ganesh, on a small mouse, realized that he cannot be quicker than Kartikeya. So he made Shiv and Parvati sit together, went around them 7 times, and then declared with folded hand to Lord Shiv that you and mother are my universe and I have completed therefore 7 rounds of my universe. Both Ganesh and Shiv smiled at Lord Ganesha's wisdom and therefore Ganesh got married first. Now Kartikeya going around the universe was taking a long time. So Shiv Puran actually has it that it was taking so long time that in between this, Ganesh was married off by Shiv and Parvati to Riddhi and Siddhi. And in fact, they had sons also. Now, Narad Rishi, in between on all this development, goes to Kartik while he is still going around the universe and tells him that while you are still going around the universe, your brother Ganesh has actually got married. Kartikeya comes back and is very upset with his father and mother. And he decides to go towards south and live there. And that's the reason why actually Kartik is a big deity in southern India. Now in Shiv Puran, Kartikeya never gets married. In fact, in Skand Puran, which is about the deeds of Lord Kartik, in that also, Kartikeya never gets married. But in southern India, some of the southern Indian classic, Kartikeya eventually got married off. So you see, Kartikeya appointed as a commander-in-chief in Shiv Puran, never gets married, could not attend his brother's marriage for whatever reasons, and is upset about his kin's marriage. And that's why, since he is associated with Mangal, commander-in-chief is associated with Mangal, therefore if you get Mars in certain positions, which looks to your seventh house is associated with your spouse, with your marriage, with your relationship of the opposite sex. So if Mangal is placed in certain positions in your horoscope, so that it either is in the seventh position or aspects the seventh position, that is, has its drishti on the seventh position, then either there is a delay in marriage, or there is no marriage, or after marriage there is a huge problem in married life or to the spouse. Now, I will discuss about one critical position of Mars in various Mangalic positions, and that is when Mars is in your seventh house. If Mars is there in your seventh house of the native, check it out. Before this person was born with Mars in his seventh house, either his father or mother or their parents, that is paternal grandfather or grandmother or maternal grandfather or grandmother, and in some cases one generation above, but generally within these two generations, one of them would have either brought together two people to get married, which they should not have, that is, the relationship should not have happened, or they would have created a situation that a couple did not get married ultimately, or after marriage or in a marriage, that is going into a marriage, they would have created a huge dispute, or what you call in Hindi, would have created a jhagda in the marriage. So if either of these three things would have been done by either the father, mother of the native, or grandfather, grandmother of the natives, both sides, either side, it's either from mother's side or father's side, then this person would get a Mars in the seventh position. One more thing. Often people say that if you're a Mangalik, get married to a tree and your Mangal dosh would go. It's actually not that easy. Every planet is there in your horoscope to deliver certain results. Now, Mangaliks, it is not always true that in case of Mangalik, either the spouse, dies after some time very quickly, or there's a divorce or a separation. There can be many other kind of problems which is related to the position of Mars of both the people, that is husband and wife. And therefore, a Mangalik getting married to a Mangalik gets nullified to a certain extent. There's a different reason for it, how it gets nullified. That's a separate chapter and a remedy by itself. And only things that solve these kind of problems are really the karmic remedies, not getting married to a tree. I hope you liked the video. Please do share it with your friends so that true knowledge of astrology is spread. And if you are not subscribed till now, do subscribe to this channel so that you continue to get such videos from me. My next video would be on Venus, that is on Shukra, the most important planet probably in today's modern life. Thank you very much. Namaskar.